Here is a 3-step framework that you can use to achieve financial freedom in your life as fast as possible. Number 1, start a business. Whether you like it or not, the truth always remains the same. It can be a side hustle or a full-time business, but at the end of the day, the truth is that you will have to start a business if you ever want to achieve the goal of financial freedom in your life. You will never be able to do it with a salary. Just forget about it. And by the way, what is financial freedom? Financial freedom is when your total monthly passive income either equals or exceeds your total monthly expense. You don't have to become rich to achieve financial freedom. All you have to do is to ensure you are earning enough passive income from your new business, which takes care of your business expenses, taxes, and personal expenses. As long as that equation holds true, you are financially free. Remaining a salaried professional or a self-employed professional in your life is absolutely not the way to do it. Program that statement into your brain. You will eventually have to take the leap and start something of your own. I cannot say it more clearly than this. Your financial future depends on your own business. So pull up your socks and get started right now. Do not wait for all the lights to turn green. It is never going to happen. Simply draft your resignation letter, go to your boss and say thanks but no thanks, and get down to your own business. Mind your own business. You will make mistakes, but eventually you will see some success. Your business will give you financial independence like nothing else can. So step number 1 is to start a business. Number 2, make that business profitable. Now, if you want to build a sustainable, long-term business, then you will have to spend at least 2 to 3 years in the business without expecting any profits from the business. However, after 2 to 3 years, you have to make sure that the business turns profitable. You cannot grow in your life with an unprofitable business. The business has to produce a free cash flow for you on a consistent basis. Businesses that can generate free cash flow after accounting for all the expenses are the ones that survive in the long run. Cash burning businesses sooner than later go into the books of history of financial failures. Without exception, if a business can't make money, it is destined to file for bankruptcy one day. The bottom line of the business has to be positive. Number 3, invest those business profits in productive assets. So for example, you start a business, you spend 3 years building the business, and then you make the business profitable. Now you have to take these profits and invest that money in assets that produce a cash flow for you. Now here you have 2 choices. One is that you can choose to invest this profit in the same business that you have started because it gives you a very high rate of return on your invested capital. Or you might want to find another business or another asset which has the ability to generate a better return than what your business is capable of providing you. It all depends on what kind of a return are you expecting on your invested capital. If your business is giving you more, then you plow back the money in your own business. If other assets are likely to give you more return, then you have to invest in those other productive assets. And by the way, what are productive assets? Productive assets can be anything from real estate, which gives you rental income. It can be stocks that give you dividend income. It can even be fixed income items, which can give you some interest income. It can be commodities as well. It can be paper assets, as Robert Kiyosaki says, like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, etc. It can be some private business. The goal of investing is to start earning passive income. The more passive income you earn, the more money you have to invest back in productive assets. And the more your asset base grows, the more your passive income is going to grow, which will ultimately help you achieve financial freedom as per the definition that we just discussed. So follow this simple 3-step framework. It sounds very easy, but you will have to put in a lot of work to make sure that you achieve your goal of financial freedom. My best wishes are with you. Thank you so much.